Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to take tests on the Breeze application, but first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the app on your phone. After that you should tap on the tests button down below, which is the fourth option. After that, you can see that you have a bunch of tests organized into categories, such as a personality test. Here you can find the most popular ones. Then as you scroll down, you can check out your collections of tests, check your mental state, explore your personality. So tap on a relevant one that you are interested in, tap on take test, click on get started, and after that you will be able to start taking the test, answering questions. As you can see, many of them are only available when you are a premium member on this app, but you have free tests that you can take. All you have to do is just tap on the relevant answer, then click on the button next down below to proceed with your test. Here at the top you can see how many questions you have answered and how many questions are left, and at the end you are going to find the results. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.